Stuck with a 5-second AI clip that ends abruptly? Does it freeze on an awkward frame, leaving you with footage too short for your music or social media? Don't waste time regenerating. If this sounds like your editing nightmare, you're in the right place. Don't just stretch it and ruin the quality. Today, I'll show you how to extend any video easily using HitPaw Edimakor. We're not just adding seconds, we're talking about smooth camera movements, stunning weather transitions, and richer details, all while keeping it natural. Let's solve all these problems. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Extend the video. Once you're in, go to AI Video and select Extend Video. Here you can upload any video up to 30 seconds that you want to extend. You'll see 5 style options: anime, 3D animation, comic, cyberpunk, and clay. If you want to stay true to your original video, just select None. Now paste your prompt describing what should happen next. For example, I'll type, "The dog continues talking, occasionally moving its paws slightly to adjust a knob on the sound mixer or tapping on the laptop touchpad in front of it." Then, choose your desired duration and resolution and hit Generate. Let's check out the result. As you can see, it preserves your original footage perfectly and extends the scene naturally based on your prompt, without any jarring cuts or distortions. And it's not just limited to this. Whether it's nature scenes, dynamic weather changes, or adding rich visual elements, HitPaw Edimakor handles them all with ease. Step 3. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to publish to social media, add #EdimakorAI when posting to earn 60 free credits. With HitPaw Edimakor, extending your clips is no longer a headache, helping you level up content quality and speed up your workflow. Ready to give it a try? Download HitPaw Edimakor via the link below and start extending your creativity today. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tutorials.